Yo, yo, yo. I'm live, yo. Cause why do birds suddenly appear? Yeah, so we got a list of things to do today. I am. Hold on. Let me make sure this is not open to what I need it to be. Yeah, so. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Hold on. What do birds? Yeah, so I want to do this today. So where's today's Monday? I didn't do anything yesterday because I was busy. And I kind of only want to do one thing today and then push the change to the site, but I don't know if I'll be able to get the change out. But we'll see, you know. But yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright, hold on. Oh, I don't have enough. That's awkward. Why do birds suddenly disappear? Do 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 do. Alright, that means I'm done with that. Do, 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 do. Ooh, nice. Got the 302. Alright, hold on. Alright, so yeah, I want to do this. Sort of like this, but And then in my to-do list that I had for bugs, let me add these. And then I could just delete that note. Wait, notes have folders? Oh no. Would have been cool if they did though. Yeah, so I need to hold on, let me check that real quick. Why do birds suddenly disappear? What is this? Yeah, my streams and vods randomly hit channels, so like now my channel has 1,521 views. 12/29/25. There we go. So, what is being popular? It looks like my NF Clouds reaction. I don't know why this didn't get flagged on my channel. Yeah, so I want to do this, and I need to see. Let me check real quick if I need to open a new window. I need to see if I still have that script. Hold on. Where's my cat now? What the? Miss? Both cats are in their room now. Oh my god. Both cats are in the bedroom now. Not my problem. I think it's this one. I need to put this one on GitHub actually. Okay, so I have upcoming albums and then the Spotify capture one. Hold on, I gotta log in every single time. Why do birds suddenly disappear? Do 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 do. Yeah, so Did you know it's my mom's birthday today? Yeah, so hold on. I did some cleaning up of the server yesterday. I need to make sure these scripts are up to date though. That's the thing I'm checking. Because I don't know if everything's up to date here. Oh, I am saving these. Am I saving it locally or on GitHub? I don't know if it's local or not. But let me just double check. Yeah, this one has more lines of code. Oh wait, no, this is not the streams one. Oh no, it's the same. Okay. That's the same, and then okay, hold on. Because I'm pretty sure. Oh no, okay, no, that's good. I was pretty sure I had changed my password, but why did I? Alright, hold on. So that's artist, that's fine. So what I need to do is I need to set this up on a fast API thing. So I need to set it up on fast API, in which I don't know if it's possible. Especially when it does the page go to. Maybe I should just see if it works still. Let me select artist where ID equals, and then just check the database if it still works. Why do birds disappear? Do, 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 do. Oh, I need to delete that table. Yeah, some people listen to songs. One, two, three, four. Four of them listen to songs. The only hard part would be January. I don't know. Yeah, I didn't get anything for November, December. Yep. Yep. Alright, hold on. Why do birds disappear? So I need to set this up on like this here. I need to check this. Okay, hold on. Spotify stats. These are Eminem. Marshall Mathers, Eminem. Alright, hold on. Why do birds suddenly disappear? Alright, let's see if this works. Where the hell is the run button? Oh, here. No, it doesn't work. Why? Renew IP. Something here is not right. Alright, how do I show this without... Okay, here. Renew, no, code. How come it's not Spotify? No, site, website. Why is it not showing? Code. Why is it stuck on one of them? I got two of them open. Hold on. There it is. I don't know how the setup is for this so far, so... Okay, I can move this a little bit over. There we go. I currently get errors. I don't know why. Let me ask ChatGPT. My best friend, you know, ChatGPT. Oh my god, it is so cold. Alright, I don't know if it's because it's local, but... Connection refused. Apparently there's a port being used with this. Hold on. Oh, there's none. None with that. I'm pretty sure I have Tor. Oh. I thought I did. I need to... Oh, probably because this is a new computer? No, this is not new. This one's old. It's almost a year old. My Mac being almost a year old and I've had no issues whatsoever with it is crazy. Tor. Oh, wait. It's not done yet. So that might mean that I need to run a Tor on... I get this. There's literally nothing here. Oh, they're both listening now. Okay. Oh. Processing one Eminem. Eminem. Marshall Mathers Eminem. Only thing that might be an issue is if they changed any IDs. But yeah. I assume it would fail. Tracklist. Yeah, I think they changed some IDs, so let me see. We go to discography, show all, and then let me get up the task tools. I'm not this. Oh. The developer tools, and then let me check. Did they change the IDs? Let's find out. This ID is not changed, but it says it's waiting for it. Waiting for selector. But if it's waiting for selector, why do birds suddenly disappear? Do, 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 do. See, I don't know why I canceled this one out. Because do I run a different function to update the streams? I think I do. But let me see. I need to see why it's okay, no, I need to keep that. Hold on. Why is it set to not open? Headless equals true. Let me see this. If I do headless equals false, let me see what it does. No, yeah, see, headless. Is it gonna scroll? Oh, there it goes. No. I need to fix this. Hold on. What do birds do? You know what's crazy? I did this before. And I changed this. And, you know, like, I don't know what to say. Alright, I don't know if this will work, but I guess we'll see. Hold on. And I also wanted to update, not like, it should update each one it finds immediately, which I think I did have, but I don't know why I didn't. Why do birds disappear? What? Oh, I do have a get. Wrong time ago. Why do birds disappear? Du, 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 du. Du, 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 du. Du, 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 du. Oh, that's awkward. And this one I find is you can do this easily without what's it called? Without it being like, oh, this is web scraping. And the way that I'm gonna do it is once per day. So if you do it once per day, I don't know why it doesn't want to load anything. Okay. Let me refresh this. This loads just fine. I don't know why this wants to be a pain in the ass. Let me try again. I don't think the other thing stopped running, right? No. And I'm using Chromium because Chromium is what is good for it. There it goes. All right. But like, I think the only way I need to. Let's see if this works. Okay, okay. It's capturing them. I don't know if it's a one-off thing or not, but it's capturing the data. Yeah. And then if I refresh this, I don't think it's gonna, it's not gonna have it, but wait, hold on. Wasn't there a, fuck, I need to open a new window. I need to check the control panel. I thought there was a thing with the control panel to, where's my control panel? Oh, because it's running, okay. I'm never gonna find it then. But in fixed DB. What does map Spotify streams do? Spotify IDs. Does this set the, does this set the views? Streams. I think this one though, I need to do an update. Hold on. Update Spotify streams.php. And then I just paste this in, and then, because I don't want to update Spotify in this, and then in here, let's say, streams like this, and then hold on. Like this, and then select ID for Spotify ID, fetch result. Yeah, this should work. And then when it's done, so let me see. Update Spotify streams. Oh, that did not work. Why is that? Hold on. Okay, but it didn't update the streams. Why did it not update the streams? Update Spotify streams. We update songs, set Spotify streams where song name equals blank and album ID and artist ID equals blank. And we set this on the basis that we're fetching ID as real album ID. Spotify album info. Row is fetched from select all from Spotify stats, and then Spotify album info. Play count. Oh wait, I know why. Because when I removed this, it says set Spotify equal this. We removed that, so we yeah, that should work now. I think, I hope. Yeah, it's working. It's updating, it's updating. Damn, it's updating a lot. Right. Hello, good morning.
Oh, it's so hard to wake up.
Yeah. Oh, 127 songs tracking now.
You woke up first.
Well, I woke up, yeah. I don't know if this page refreshed or not. But now we have 127 songs tracking, and then last fetch date did not update. I don't know why.
Maybe I was sleeping with me on pillow.
Yeah, I know. When you said close the door, he was already in there. I was like, yes.
I thought he was outside.
No, he was in there, but when I walked in, because I turned the heater on, because it's freezing today.
Heater, your room or my room?
Both. It is freezing.
Thank you.
42 degrees. Oh my goodness. 44 now. But yeah. 127 songs tracking? That's not bad. Oh wait, why does Mockingbird and... Wait a second. Oh my god, you know what happened? It's not even accurate because these strings, these are integers. Spotify strings are integers. They need to be big ints. Alright, let me try this again. instead, actually, hold on. Instead of this, let me do, say, window.alert done. Yeah, because their integer limits are hit. I was like, there's no way these are the same numbers. Hold on. Be right back. Oh my gosh, Yamian today is so. What are we gonna do about you? Spray bottles should be here this morning. He's bad and go. Stop it. Like he just keeps scratching at the thing, like.
Just links.
That's like the blinds.
Blinds.
Yeah, I move them, and he still scratches the door, and just constant meowing. I don't know what it is he wants. Like he wants to go out, but like. I don't know what we can do.
Just let him be.
But like I don't want to get like a noise complaint or anything because of him.
You close your door.
No, not from me. I mean a noise complaint from any neighbors and whatnot.
No, neighbors cannot hear it.
I don't know. I can hear the other cats when they meow.
I never heard neighbors cat meow.
Okay. Okay, this is updating now. But I need to know when the last fetched is working. I mean, it's got a lot of data to go through. So if I add a button here, which... Wait a second. Okay, this button's only local. Whew. Oh my goodness. I was scared for a second. Why do birds suddenly appear? This is still running? I think it's taking a while because I'm updating songs. Even though it should update faster. Select song.
You gave food to them?
Yeah. I gave them food. This should update the number again. It looks like when I do this, it disrupts the database in which... One thing I think I need to do, actually, is something separate here. I think I need to create a separate table and just map, literally just list out all the song IDs or all the songs into a separate table of the streams, and then have the song map the Spotify stream ID to that data there. Because, or if I'm already doing that, then let me just double check. I don't think I'm already doing that, but I do have. Because I don't think having Spotify streams is. Okay, why is my site running so slow right now? Hold on. I refuse to believe that this is not doing the window alert when it's done. Let me check. If I hit update. Okay, I see it pending. And I don't know when the last fetched is supposed to be coming from, because let me check music randomizer. When does last fetched? Artist data last fetched. Why do birds disappear? Do, do, do. So it says here it comes from, last fetched is coming from artist info, which artist info here, which doesn't make sense because last fetch should say today's date. But like if I'm doing it through this, does this update last fetched at all? It does not look like it. But the thing is, I need to do this type of. But the thing is, I need to decode the thing and then have it update the songs. Okay, hold on. I need to like decrypt this, but also move it to a different table. So I have several things I need to do. And then I'm hoping if I do it this way, then it will stop slowing down my site. So we're back in the scraper. And I think I should enable this, to be honest. Because if I enable this, then it should be faster. But I don't think faster is the thing. I think I need to do like an insert update thing into a new table. So I need to create a new table on here. And I already have Spotify stats, but I need to do Spotify streams. And then song name, track ID or track URI, stream count. This needs to be big int. So this way, what I can do is I can just map everything to this, and then when I run my update, I just update this table. I don't know how, I can't show it right now, right? Yeah. I update this table, song name, maybe I need more rows. Hold on. Track URI. So that way, when I map everything, I don't need to care about the stream count and the actual thing here. So this will make it. So track URI, track album ID. So like I guess this would be an album ID that it associates with. Song name, this would be far chart. 255. Track URI 250. Oh no, this would just be an, I don't know. Track URI got I don't know. And then mapped song ID, stream count, and then I guess that would be it. Oh, maybe album name. Like that. So I want to move album name after here. Wait. Like that, and then I want to change. Oh wait, move columns. That. So like this, and then I still don't know why this is not. But if I do it this way, it shouldn't. It should be easier to update because then it just has to update one entry rather than encyclopedia of all my entries. So in my code, what I want to do instead of update. Are you leaving? Goodbye. Hey, my hand cold, kitty. Torture him with cold hands.
I'm wearing this God Bless America hoodie.
Doesn't say God bless America. No, you. Doesn't say God bless America.
It's the sign, man.
I don't know, but
That's your president and goddess.
that's not my president. Don't forget your phone. You have a nice sleep?
Yep.
Nice. Chill out, kitty. Chill out. It's already cold enough. Wonder if I made any more money off the apps. No, I haven't made any new money.
I should go, man.
Yeah. Bye. Oh, is this script still running? Oh my goodness. Script still running? I believe. Why? This script can't be that optimized. Or non optimized, I would say. I know why. It's going through every song and checking the entries in the database for each song rather than like grouping it together and then checking the database against that. Oh no, I think it. Yeah, it's a while statement inside of a for each statement, in which obviously will take forever. But I'll just let it rock. I'm gonna let it rock, rock. Aye. Once, twice. Alright, so this, I want to do it like this. So then, do I have the song name? Track URI. Because I want to do this where we do. Hold on. Play count, and then where's the song name? Name. So play count is here. And then this only returns track. Okay. But then this should just return data. So I should make this so it returns data and I want to get play count, track URI, track name, I guess track album name, but we already know the album name. Track number. If we use track number, that would actually help us a lot. Track number. Because I want to do, track number. It goes track.get number. Because this will make it easier for me to update fully my database for everything. So then let me see, how can I return this? Extract data. But no, so instead of this, it's going to be update artists. Oh yeah. Data like this. And then for this, let me check GPT to make sure I can. For this. Yeah, like this, and then like this, and then when I do this, yeah, so I need to update this, and then we need to update Spotify streams, because So tracks. Tracks, and then for this, we do this. Like this, and then if you or I so like this, but then I think I want to do it so like this where hold on. Oh wait, let me hello.
Alright, Austin, I cannot start my car.
You, maybe. Do you need help?
I need to look.
All right, hold on.